Scaling your business is not about trying everything, it's about choosing the right growth path for you. In this episode, I will explore the different growth strategies MSMEs can use from digital transformation to product diversification so you can scale with clarity and confidence. Hi, I am Abanibhusan Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. Before we delve into the strategies, let's clarify 2 key terms: scaling and expansion. Scaling focuses on increasing revenue while keeping costs relatively low. It's about doing more with less, leveraging efficiencies in your existing processes to grow profitability. Expansion involves growing your business by increasing resources, entering new markets, or launching new product lines. Expansion often requires more investment and risk. Both approaches have their merits, and the right choice depends on your business's current stage, industry, and goals. Now let's dive to know the various growth strategy options for MSMEs. Number 1. Scaling through operational efficiency. Scaling doesn't always mean selling more. It often starts with streamlining your operations. Improving efficiency can free up resources and increase profitability. Here is an example for manufacturers. If you are a manufacturer of industrial parts, adopting lean manufacturing principles can help reduce waste, optimize production schedules, and lower costs. This efficiency enables you to handle more orders without significantly increasing expenses. Here is a pro tip. Invest in automation tools and software like ERP systems to monitor production in real time. This not only reduces errors but also improves productivity. Number 2 strategy is expanding into new markets. Entering new geographic or demographic markets can unlock significant growth opportunities. However, it requires thorough research and a tailored approach. Here is a case study for a distributor. Imagine you are a distributor of industrial automation products operating in one region. Expanding to a neighboring state could double your customer base. Start by identifying potential partners or local distributors who can help you establish a presence in the new market. Here is an actionable tip. Before expanding, conduct market research to understand local demand, competition, and regulatory requirements. Adapt your marketing and product offerings to meet the unique needs of the new market. Number 3 strategy: adding new product lines or services. Diversifying your offerings can help attract new customers while deepening relationships with existing ones. However, ensure the new products or services align with your core competencies as well as customer needs. Here is an example for B2B sellers. If you sell industrial sensors, consider adding complementary products like controllers or data analysis software. This not only broadens your revenue streams but also positions your business as a one-stop solution provider. Here is a pro tip. Survey your customers to understand their unmet needs and identify potential gaps in your portfolio. Let customer feedback guide your diversification efforts. 4th strategy: franchising or licensing. For businesses with proven models, franchising or licensing can be a powerful way to scale. This approach allows others to replicate your success in new locations while you earn revenue through fees or loyalties. Here is a use case for a service-based business. A system integrator specializing in automation solutions could license their methodology and software to partners in other regions. This expands their reach without the heavy costs of setting up new offices. Here is a pro tip. Develop a detailed operations manual and training program to ensure your franchises or licensees deliver the same quality and experience as your original business. Fifth strategy is building strategic partnerships. Collaborations and partnerships can accelerate growth by leveraging complementary strengths. Whether it's co-branding, joint ventures, or reseller agreements, partnerships help you reach new audiences and share resources. Here is an example for resellers of foreign products. If you are a reseller of a foreign principal's portfolio, you could partner with a local service provider to offer bundled solutions. For instance, pairing a product with installation and maintenance services makes your offering more appealing to customers. Here is a pro tip. When forming partnerships, ensure that both parties benefit and that their values align with your brand. Clear agreements and defined roles are essential for successful collaborations. Number 6 strategy, leveraging digital transformation. In today's digital-first world, adopting technology is a non-negotiable growth strategy. From e-commerce platforms to AI-driven analytics, digital tools can unlock new opportunities and improve efficiency. Here is a use case for an industrial automation MSMEs. If you are a small automation company, you can use predictive analytics software to optimize inventory and reduce delivery times. This will enhance customer satisfaction and increase repeat business, leading to 20% growth in a year. Here is a pro tip. Start small with digital transformation. Implement tools like CRM software to manage customer relationships, then gradually adopt advanced technologies like IoT or AI. Now, with so many options, how do you decide which strategy is right for you? Here is a quick checklist to guide your decision-making process. Number 1, assess your resources. Do you have the financial, operational, and human resources to execute the strategy? Scaling often requires less upfront investment than expansion. Number 2, understand your market. Are there untapped opportunities within your existing market, or is the competition too intense? This helps you decide whether to expand geographically or diversify offerings. Number 3, align with your vision. Does the strategy align with your long-term goals and brand identity? Growth should enhance, not dilute your business's mission. Number 4, evaluate the risks. Every strategy comes with risks. Analyze potential pitfalls and have a contingency plan in place. And finally, number 5, start small. Pilot the strategy on a smaller scale before rolling it out fully. This minimizes the risk and provide valuable insights. Now, let me talk on a use case, a step-by-step example of scaling. The scenario is like this. You run a mid-sized company manufacturing eco-friendly packaging solutions. You have maxed out your current production capacity and are considering scaling operations. What are the steps to scale? Number 1, streamline operations. Adopt lean manufacturing to increase efficiency without adding significant costs. Number 2, leverage technology. Implement an IoT-based monitoring system to optimize production schedules. Number 3, expand market reach. Use digital marketing to target businesses in neighboring regions, focusing on sustainability conscious customers. Number 4, build strategic partnerships. partner with logistics providers to streamline delivery and reach more customers. And number 5, monitor and optimize. Track key metrics like production efficiency and customer acquisition costs to refine your strategy. Now, what's the outcome you may expect? By focusing on efficiency, technology, and partnerships, your business increases production by 30% while keeping costs manageable, setting the stage for further growth. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.